If it wasn't for COVID, you probably would have had over 500 guests at your wedding. So what do you do about all the people that you couldn't invite? There are a lot of pros to having a micro wedding, but if you're here, it was probably very painful for you to downsize your wedding. When you have a big family and lots of friends, it seems impossible for you to cut your guest count down to 50 people or less. You just feel sad about not being able to have them by your side, and they feel like they're missing out on your special day. Nonetheless, postponing might not be an option for you, so you're still stuck in this situation. But instead of just accepting it and feeling this way, we can pivot and find other ways to make our loved ones feel special. Quick disclaimer, this is not a video about all the different ways you can see your loved ones on your wedding day. There have been so many great ideas floating around, like virtual weddings or drive-by weddings, or even inviting certain groups of guests at different times so that you can see more of them throughout the day. You may not be interested in those options because of the logistics, or maybe the experience just isn't something that excites you. But if you would like a video of me walking you through each of those options and the pros and cons, let me know in the comments and I'll make one for you. Okay, if you're still here, you've decided to keep your wedding date where it's at, but you have a whole bunch of guests that you are unable to invite. One thing you can do right from the start is keep them in the loop. Just because they're not invited doesn't mean they have to be left out. So when you're inviting all of your loved ones who can attend, reach out to everyone else who you would have invited. Send them a text, or even better, pick up the phone and call them. Let them know what date you're getting married and explain your situation to them. Tell them that you understand if they're a little upset that they can't be there, but let them know that you feel the same way too and you wish the situation was different. And be genuine. I mean, I really don't think you'd be going out of your way anyway to do all of this if you didn't genuinely care. This will take a lot of time for you to do, but it will make you and your loved ones feel much better about the situation. And I can't see anyone still having hard feelings after this. In fact, it might just bring you closer together. If you want to take it a step further, you can prepare something and schedule it out to be delivered on the day of the wedding to everyone who can't be there. I really like the idea of mini cakes just like these ones, along with a handwritten note. But comment below and let me know if this is something you feel like your guests would like. Another thing you can do is wait until after the event when you get a few professional photos back from the photographer and make them into postcards. People love to see the professional photos of the couple that come after the wedding, but they rarely get a chance to unless they're posted on social media. And making them into a postcard gives you the opportunity to write them a handwritten note and let them know that you missed having them by your side on the day of the wedding, but you were thinking of them. Along with the postcard, you can send each guest what you would have given them as a wedding favor. There are so many options for this one. You can do packaged desserts with your own traditional sweets, or you can do baked goods and have them personalized. You can do homemade or locally made jars of jam or honey. Or you can do something religious like a masbaha, a hadith book, or a prayer mat. There are endless options for wedding favors, and I can make a whole video on that alone. But for now, I created a Pinterest board to give you more ideas, and you can find the link for that in the description below. So what do you think? Are you as excited about these options as I am? Or even better, have they inspired you to come up with your own ideas? Let me know in the comments, because I'm sure that there are brides listening who would benefit from your ideas too. I hope this video got you excited about wedding planning again. My goal is to help couples have the best possible wedding planning experience, and I know you guys are going through a lot right now, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. Thank you so much for listening, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay, or